limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, tan power 4x sin power 4x by x power 6, x power 6. Take a formula, limit x tends to 0, tan power n ax sin power n ax by x to the power of n plus 2. There is a power n. There is a power n plus 2. So, difference between the two powers is plus 2. Remember that point. Difference between the two powers. Difference is plus 2. See this problem. Answer is n by 2 into a power n plus 2. Limit x tends to 0, tan power n ax sin power n ax by x to the power of 6. 6 write as 4 plus 2. So n plus 2, n value 4. So apply this formula, n by 2 a power n plus 2, n by 2 into a power n plus 2. 1 power anything equal to 1. Fourth term 2 times cancel. 2 times cancel. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. Next, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. 3 sin x degrees sin 3 x degrees by x cube. X cube. First apply in this place sin 3a formula. So what is the sin 3a formula? Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. First apply that formula. 3 sin x degrees sin cube sin 3x 4 sin 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a by x cube multiply with this minus. Limit x tends to 0. 3 sin x degrees 3 sin x degrees minus into minus plus 4 sin cube x degrees by x cube. So finally limit x tends to 0. 4 sin cube x degrees by x cube. There is x degrees. Convert into radians. 360 degrees equal to 2 pi radians. 180 degrees equal to pi radians. 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radians. So there is x degrees. So limit x tends to 0, 4 by x cube sine cube x degrees pi by 180 radians. X degrees, x into pi by 180. So sin theta by theta into theta. There is cube, so take cubes. Sin x degrees multiply with pi by 180. Sin theta by theta into theta. There is power cube. Take cubes. X cube cancel. This is 4. Sin theta by theta value 1. Cube pi by 180. Pi by 180 whole cube. Pi by 180 whole cube. First we apply sin 3a formula. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Multiply with minus. Minus into minus plus. Same term cancel. 4 sin cube x degrees by x cube. X degrees x cube. So convert this into radians. X degrees equal to x into pi by 180 radians. So this 4 is this one. X cube sin theta by theta into theta. There is cube. This x cube cancel. 4 sin theta by theta value 1 into pi by 180 whole cube. So answer is this one. Next. Limit x tends to 0. 6 power x, 3 power x, minus 2 power x, plus 1 by x square. First divide the numerator into factors. 2 into 3 whole power x. Take 3 power x common. 3 power x common. So 2 power x minus 1. Take minus 1 common. 2 power x minus 1 by x square by x square. Take 2 power x minus 1 common. Limit x tends to 0. Take 2 power x minus common. 3 power x minus 1 by x square. X into x. X into x. So in the form of limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x equal to log 2. So log 2 into log 3. Log 2 into log 3. We apply this formula 2 times. Log A. Log A. So answer is log 2 into log 3. Log 2 into log 3. 6 power x. 2 into 3 power x. Take 3 power x common. Take minus 1 common. Take 2 power x minus 1 common. 3 power x minus 1. In the form of log A. This is also in the form of log A. So log 2 into log 3 answer. Log 2 into log 3 answer.